This is the Hello World Podcast.
So the first one, if you want to succeed on LinkedIn, is visibility. This is the number one problem. People would go to LinkedIn, they would post something, and then they will hear crickets. None. No reaction whatsoever. They try it again. No reaction. It's because they don't know that there is an algorithm that decides whether your post will be shown to a large number of people who decide who will see your post. Now, on maraming mga ganon technical stuff, which we cannot touch today. But the thing is, let's turn that visibility into habit. Because without visibility, there's no point talking about other things. Okay? So you have to be there. Show up consistently.
Post. Yun lang. Post.
Oo, kahit walang actually, sa freelancers, kung sa mga listeners ng freelancers, even if nobody reacts, remember that in my experience, 10 years, yung mga clients na yan, hindi yan nagla-like, hindi yan nagko-comment, hindi yan nagla-love, nag-heart sa post natin. What they do, they contact us directly. So just because there's no engagement, it doesn't mean nobody sees it. Merong nakakita. And many of the people who come to me have been watching me do things on LinkedIn before they contact me. Kung one time lang, you can convince them. Twice, maybe 3 times, yes, consistently. And it takes a habit to do that. So show up consistently. The second V is value. Get rid of the thinking that you're there because you want to get something. Especially if yung they're thinking about their business, for example, pandemic ngayon, no? A lot of people are actually just dumping in outreach messages selling this and that, insurance here, insurance there. They didn't even bother to ask, may insurance ka na pala. Alam mo yun? So, being authentic is, it's easier. So, ayun, tatlong V, make it into habit, do it every day, mix it with consistency and clarity. So, dapat clear ka. Clear, why are you doing all of those 3 Vs? Clarity, and then how often should you do that? It's up to you. That's connect that with consistency. So put them all together. That's very powerful.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.